I wanted to incorporate as many people as I can, because at the end of the day, people are going to want to know who did
your
these
floor?
floors, who did this artwork, who did this.
Who
and
did
again,
your
I'm
lights?
not trying to sound cocky and like, it's been brought up to me. Oh, that's just like the guy saying he's got 10 other cars. Yes, I know we all hate that. I know we hate that. I know we hate to hear, give me this because I'm going to bring you this. And because 99% of the time it doesn't happen. But look at this. Come look at this place. If you tell me that you don't think this is, again, this is not me being arrogant. This is not me being cocky. This is just me being honest. People are going to come here that have
And
money.
have questions.
And questions, and that definitely can afford to have these floors done in their garage.
Yeah.
Just like the artwork that's going to be here, just like the products we're going to use, just like
Did you find somebody for the artwork?